Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Jury's World. Today I am going to teach you the degrees of comparisons. Most adjectives and adverbs can be changed into other forms of comparison in many ways without changing the meaning of the sentences. For example, two persons or thing in positive type, the form we use subject plus verb plus age plus positive plus adjective plus age and plus object. This is the form of a positive sentence. In comparative sentence, we use subject plus verb plus not plus comparative adjectives plus then plus object. So let's see this through examples. Positive. I am as brave as he. In comparative sentence, he is not braver than I am. So brave, comparative degree, braver. And I hope you know positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Brave, braver, bravest. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. So this way the words are used, verbs are used. And so in the transformation of sentence where degrees of comparison is concerned, we used sentence in this format. So let's see the third example. Positive. She is as happy as her sister. So it is positive. In comparative, her sister is not happier than she. Positive. We are as rich as they. They are not richer than we. Rich, richer, richest. Okay, positive. My brother is not so clever as I. I am clever than my brother. More, most. These words are used while we are changing the sentences. Positive. Pinky is not attractive as Sinky. Comparative. Sinky is more attractive than Pinky. More than two persons or things. Then in positive degree, what do you use? The structure of the sentence is no other plus subject plus verb plus so plus positive adjectives plus as plus object. And in case of comparative sentence, we use subject plus verb plus comparative adjective plus then plus any other, comma all plus object. And superlative degree, we use subject plus verb plus the plus superlative adjectives plus of, all plus plural noun of the object. So let's see these through examples. In positive degree, no other peak of the world is as high as Everest. In comparative degree, Everest is higher than any other peak of the world. High, higher. See the verb change. Superlative, Everest is the highest peak of the world. So high, higher and highest. Positive, comparative and superlative. In second situation, see, very few subjects are as easy as this. Here very few is almost negative sense using here. This is comparative sentence. This is easier than any other subjects. And superlative sentences in superlative degree, this is one of the easiest subjects. In third position, nothing is so important as educations. Comparative degree, education is more important than anything else. In superlative degree, education is the most important of all things. Fourth, positive degree, no other boy in the class is as good as he. Comparative, he is better. Double T, it must be double T, so it is printing mistake, typing mistake. Okay, he is better than any other boy in the class. So correct it by B-E-T-T-E-R. So he is better than any other boy in the class. In superlative degree, he is the best boy in the class. So good, better and best. Positive degree, very few women are as kind and considerate as my mother. In comparative degree, my mother is kinder and more considerate than most other women. In superlative degree, my mother is one of the kindest and most considerate women. Positive, very few countries in the world are as rich as America. Comparative, America is richer than most other countries in the world. And superlative degree, America is one of the richest countries in the world. Positive, no other metal is as useful as iron. Comparative, iron is more useful than any other metal. And superlative, iron is the most useful of all metals. Question 8. These questions appear in ACS exams. So let's see few examples from your question paper. Positive. No other city in the world, no other city in India is as big as Kolkata. And comparative, Kolkata is bigger than any other city in India. Actually, in your ACS exam, transformation of sentence in this part, there are 4 question appears for you. That like maybe rewrite any 4 of the sentences as directed. The question is like that, and there one question from this degrees of comparison is always there. In ACS 2030, the question is that Kolkata is bigger than any other city in India. Change into positive degree. So there it is asked to change this comparative sentence into positive degree. So it also in 13. So the example, I think you can understand, you can solve in your exam also if you know how to change it. In superlative degree, Kolkata is the biggest city in India. 9. Positive, no other boxer is as great as Mary Kom. This question, this rewrite of the sentence or transformation of sentence came in ACS 14 and 16. Positive, no other boxer is as great as Mary Kom. Comparative, Mary Kom is greater than any other boxer. So in ACS 14 and ACS 16 it came. See, in ACS 14, no other boxer is as great as Mary Kom. Change into superlative degree. It is asked there to change this sentence into superlative degree. So Mary Kom is greater than any other boxer, and the superlative degree of this sentence is Mary Kom is the greatest boxer of all. Question 10. No other city in India is as populous as Kolkata. In comparative degree, Kolkata is more populous city than any other city in India. Superlative, Kolkata is the most populous city in India. It came in ACS exam 2017 of 15. Okay, what is the question there? Kolkata is the most populous city in India. Change into comparative degree. So this is given in superlative degree and we are asked to change it into comparative degree. So in comparative degree, the answer will be Kolkata is more popular city than any other city in India. Question 11. Positive, no river in India is as long as Brahmaputra. ACS exam 2017. Comparative degree, the Brahmaputra is longer than any other river in India, and superlative, the Brahmaputra is the longest river in India. So in the question paper it came like that, the Brahmaputra is the longest river in India. Change it into positive degree. So in positive degree, what will be the answer then? No river in India is as long as Brahmaputra. So this, no other college in North is as good as this. In comparative degree, this college is better than any other colleges in the North. In the superlative degree, this is one of the best college in the North. So the question appear like this. This is one of the best colleges in the north. Change it into comparative degree. So this is given in superlative degree and you are asked to change it into comparative degree. So what will be answered in comparative degree? This college is better than any other colleges in the north. Here are some of the questions that came in your higher secondary question paper. Hope you have understood the degrees of comparisons, positive, comparative and superlative. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. And one more thing, in my next video, I will give you this sentence structure, that is comparison of sentence, change of sentence into simple sentence into complex sentence, complex to compound sentence, and all these three forms, simple, complex and compound sentences, in my next video. Thank you.